Hey guys, Steven here back with another video, and today I'm going to show you 5 creative text effects in Adobe Photoshop. I made a video like this a couple years ago and it got a really good response. So if you guys want more like this, make sure to hit the thumbs up button. The video will be in the description. And if you guys want to check out my merchandise, which was actually what inspired these 5 effects, you guys can check that out in the description as well. So if you guys enjoyed this video, hit the thumbs up button and let's get straight into it. So the first text effect is warping your text into a circle, which is really easy. So all you want to do is click on the ellipse tool and you want to create a circle. So you want to hold shift and drag and you just want to center the circle. Next, you want to press on the text tool and hover over the side and you'll see your icon change, like the mouse change. Then when you hover over the side, when you see that, you just want to click and then it'll create this. Now, as you can see, there's like a gap in between this left side here. So what you can do is press Ctrl A and then press Ctrl T and these options will show. And basically you can increase the text, like the font size, or you can change the spacing between the text. The more you increase it, the wider the gap gets. I would just increase the text. And then once you're done, you can just hide this circle and then press Ctrl T to transform. And then there you have a circle of text. Very easy. So the next couple of effects, I'm going to use the warp text option. So it's in the top right here. I'm going to show you a particular style I like to choose in a specific setting. So I'm going to choose bulge right here. And what I like to do is I like to bend it the other way. So like just say -17. And the only thing I don't like about this is how short it is in height. So what I'm going to do is press Ctrl T and then hold Control and then just drag it up a little bit so that there's more height. And then there you have it. Now you're gonna go to blending options and then you're gonna add a stroke. So I'm gonna choose like I'm not really sure what looks good. So let's just say like a greenish color. And then we're gonna go to drop shadow and then we're gonna use these settings. So if we're gonna start from scratch, you're gonna make the opacity 100 and then you're gonna increase the spread. So I think this looks really good on like mascots and icons and even merchandise. So that's really it for this effect. So the next effect, we're also going to use warp text. It's actually going to be the flag option this time. So right here, basically it creates a wave and I really like it. So it's really just that. It's just the wave option. You can also go to filter, distort, and wave, and it does a similar thing. There might even be a little bit more flexibility, but I just like how simple the warp text option is. So I'm going to stick with that. So that's the third text effect. The fourth text effect is also very simple. It's actually something called stacking. And basically it's when you duplicate multiple layers and you just change the color. So you sort of make it 3D. So right here, I'm just going to duplicate the text layer. So you want to press Ctrl J. So I'm going to do it 2 times. And now I'm just going to change the color of the top 2 layers. So I'm going to go to color overlay. This one's going to be light blue and the other one's going to be like aqua or something. Color overlay. Let's make this one. You actually want to move the top 2 layers to the bottom, my bad. And then now you just want to use your arrow key and press down until you can kind of see it. You can also press shift down and it does the same thing. And now you have this 3D style. So I thought that looks good. So this text effect looks the best when you actually integrate it with the other ones. So the very last effect includes motion blur and it's something Supreme does with their merchandise. So it's very simple. You just duplicate your layer. So press Ctrl J. And you want to go to the bottom one and press filter, blur, motion blur. And then you want to rasterize it. You want to make the angle 180 and you want to just increase the distance. And basically it creates motion blur in the back. And then you just want to decrease the opacity a little bit. And then that's about it. In my opinion, it doesn't look really good with black text, but white text, it looks pretty good. But yeah, that's about it for this video. If you guys enjoyed, hit the thumbs up button. My name is Steven and I'll see you in the next one.